10 incredible drinks to repair nerve damage. Are you tired of nerve pain holding you back? Imagine a life free from tingling, numbness, and discomfort. Discover how nature's power can help you reclaim your life with these 10 incredible drinks. Nerve pain can be debilitating, affecting your daily life. Blurry vision, tingling sensations, and difficulty walking are just a few symptoms. But what if you could find relief through simple, delicious drinks? Nature offers powerful remedies to support nerve health. Berries, greens, ginger, and turmeric are packed with nutrients. These ingredients can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. Imagine preparing a refreshing smoothie, knowing it's actively supporting your nerves. This video will guide you through 10 amazing drinks. These drinks can help you reclaim your life and find relief from nerve pain. First up is the Green Powerhouse Smoothie. This vibrant drink is packed with essential nutrients. It's a delicious way to boost your nerve health. Blend spinach, kale, avocado, banana, apple, and a touch of ginger. This combination provides a powerful dose of antioxidants and B vitamins. These nutrients are crucial for nerve function and repair. The antioxidants in leafy greens protect nerves from damage. B vitamins support healthy nerve cell function. Ginger adds an anti-inflammatory boost. Next, we have the Berry Blast juice. This colorful juice is bursting with flavor and antioxidants. It's a delicious way to protect your nerves. Juice strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries for a potent antioxidant blend. These berries are rich in compounds that reduce inflammation. They also protect nerve cells from oxidative stress. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, preventing nerve damage. Berries also contain vitamins and minerals that support overall nerve health. Enjoy this sweet and healthy treat. The Turmeric and Ginger Elixir is a soothing and powerful drink. It's known for its anti-inflammatory properties. This elixir can help soothe nerve pain and promote healing. Grate fresh turmeric and ginger, then mix with warm water. You can also add a touch of honey for sweetness. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory properties. Together, they work synergistically to reduce nerve pain. This elixir is a natural and effective way to find relief. Our next drink is the Citrus Boost. This refreshing juice is packed with vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for nerve repair and collagen production. Juice oranges, grapefruits, and lemons for a zesty and immune-boosting drink. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects nerves from damage. It also supports the production of collagen. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to nerve cells. This Citrus Boost is a delicious way to support nerve health and overall well-being. Enjoy the tangy flavor and reap the benefits. The Celery and Cucumber Refresher is a hydrating and electrolyte-rich drink. It's perfect for supporting nerve function. This refreshing juice is a great way to stay hydrated and healthy. Juice celery and cucumber for a mild and refreshing flavor. Celery and cucumber are both hydrating and rich in electrolytes. Electrolytes are essential for nerve transmission and muscle function. This juice helps maintain proper nerve function. It also supports overall hydration. Enjoy this light and refreshing drink any time of day. Beetroot Bliss is a vibrant and nutrient-rich juice. It's known for improving blood flow to nerves. This juice can help nourish and revitalize your nervous system. Juice beetroots for a deep red and earthy flavor. Beetroots contain nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow. Improved blood flow ensures that nerves receive adequate oxygen and nutrients. This supports nerve function and healing. Enjoy this earthy and beneficial juice. The Almond Milk and Banana Smoothie is a creamy and delicious drink. It's packed with magnesium and potassium. These minerals are essential for nerve transmission. Blend almond milk, banana, and a handful of nuts for a smooth and satisfying treat. Almond milk is a good source of magnesium. Bananas are rich in potassium. Magnesium and potassium are crucial for nerve impulse transmission. This smoothie supports healthy nerve function. It also provides a boost of energy. Coconut water hydration is a natural and refreshing drink. It's packed with electrolytes. These electrolytes are essential for nerve function. Simply pour coconut water straight from the coconut or a carton. Coconut water is a natural source of electrolytes. Electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium are crucial for nerve transmission. This drink helps maintain proper nerve function. It also supports overall hydration. Enjoy this naturally sweet and refreshing drink. Pineapple Power is a tropical and anti-inflammatory juice. Juice pineapple for a sweet and tangy flavor. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with potent anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain can help reduce nerve pain and inflammation. This juice is a delicious way to support nerve health. It also provides a boost of vitamin C. Enjoy this tropical treat and reap the benefits. Finally, we have the spinach and apple juice. This juice is rich in vitamins and minerals. These nutrients are essential for nerve health. Juice spinach and apple for a balanced and nutritious drink. Spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals. Apples add sweetness and additional nutrients. This juice provides a wide range of nutrients that support nerve health. It's a great way to boost your overall well-being. Enjoy this healthy and refreshing juice. Remember, consult your doctor before making significant dietary changes. Consistency is key for best results. Drink these regularly for optimal nerve health. Combine these drinks with a healthy lifestyle for best results. Stay tuned for more health tips. Now you have 10 incredible drinks to help repair nerve damage and reclaim your life. Imagine feeling less pain, more energy, and a renewed sense of well-being. These drinks are a delicious and natural way to support your nerve health. Don't wait any longer to start feeling better. Try incorporating these drinks into your daily routine. Your nerves will thank you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below and let us know which drink you're most excited to try. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. Click the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from these natural remedies. Let's work together to spread awareness and help others find relief from nerve pain. More health videos can be found now by clicking the boxes that have appeared on screen. Let us know in the comments any health topics you would like us to cover in our up-and-coming videos. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.